Hello, what's going on, guys? My name is Games Project, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a automatic cooker sort of thing. Well, it basically just gets everything that you're cooking straight into your food chest. So here we have one. Is there anything in there from when I was testing it? No, there's nothing in there. So if you right click on it to bring up the furnace bit, and then you put in however much coal you want and put in the food and then leave it to cook. Say if you're going out or something, say you just went outside and gone out and done some mining or something, or gone to look at a giant Christmas tree, come back, don't have to put it into your food chest because it will already be in there. So there's the food that I put in. Still loads left because I put loads in. So the way that you make it is you get a chest. You'd get your hopper and you place it down, then you get your furnace there, and then you put that on put it on top, so like that there. Then underneath it, get your chest. So when you got your chest, basically place that underneath all of it, and then you just put your coal in, put your food in. It will do exactly the same as this one here. So that's how you make it basically. Hope you enjoyed. Do leave a comment, like and subscribe for more tutorials and things like this. So goodbye.